Kaspa Familia, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate all the love that you guys show on a regular day-to-day basis. Let's analyze together and see what's happening with the price of Kaspa right now, and of course what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. Looking across the board, we're starting off Tuesday morning on a really positive note. Right now it's still midnight, but again, we did see something similar happen yesterday where we did see the market push towards the upside, and then that was a clear fake out. But we need to keep in mind we're coming out of a weekend, so that is something that is very important to keep in mind. As of now, Kaspa is up about 1.1% as of recording this update, with the price of Kaspa currently sitting at 8.4 cents. Now we're down about 1% in Bitcoin comparative valuation, 2.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at $45.4 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer for you guys: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we did see the dominance, push towards the upside. We actually retested 58.68%. You can see this for yourself. Since then, we have seen this, decline within the dominance itself, which is nice to see, of course. As of now, this is happening due to the fact that Bitcoin did once again see a push above 110,000 as we're recording this update. We actually came very close to 111. We do have some resistance at that range, so that's where we kind of got stopped out. Tomorrow is going to be so I wouldn't even say tomorrow. Today is going to be a very important day to see, where Bitcoin closes a daily candle. But as of now, so far, still good. But again, in terms of getting excited, we still need to wait for our confirmation, which is, of course, at 115K. But with that being said, let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa. So this support, I indicated to you guys yesterday how important it was for the price of Kaspa to be above this key range. And, we really gave Kaspa a lot of credit, the fact that, this support held for us. But we did drop below it briefly because, look, this wick towards the upside for the dominance, while Bitcoin almost retested the neckline of the 23.6 again. We did see the price of Kaspa drop in below here. We actually came down to 8 cents, believe it or not. The 7.9 cents was the next support line I was talking about. We came very, very close to that. But we have seen a bounce back above our key range. If you want to put this into perspective, we're looking at an increase of about 5%, which is very nice. The fact that we're back above our key level, this is what we want to be getting excited about. And the fact that, we're still accumulating within this pattern, and the support has so far held, its position. And that's that's where the fun really lies, that this support, while we have seen major amount of volatility within the crypto space over the course of the last 3 to 4 weeks, I would say 2.5 weeks to be exact, you saw the price of Kaspa hold its ground here, and that is really, really impressive in my opinion. So right now, we're back above to where we need to be. As I've stated to you guys before, it doesn't matter if we accumulate within this pattern over the next 2-3 weeks, maybe even until the rate cut. As long as we hold above this key range, it is a good sign. Obviously, people want to see that 10 cents plus happening, but I think, it all is dependent on what Bitcoin does, because Bitcoin is being very volatile. And we're kind of starting to notice a pattern playing out for Bitcoin since it hit an all-time high just last month on August 13th. You're starting to notice a pattern playing out. You're starting to see, this downwards trend. If you could see this for yourself, and if you want to measure this from the all-time high, we actually saw Bitcoin retracing down 13.79% from its all-time high. So quite a sharp retracement for Bitcoin, which explains why you're seeing the broader market down over the course of the last 2 weeks. But Kaspa is, where we need to be as of now, and we are, being supported by this key range. We're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.